The Stairati comes from Guru. Stairati means your permanent loving relationship. Well, love means prema. So if there's no prema in the heart, how can there be Stairati in the heart? There's no bhakti comes from Guru Krishna. So bhakti, bhav, prema, and Stairati are one entity. None of it's in the heart. Prabhupada himself says, bhakti pai. You receive bhakti from Krishna or Guru. Krishna means Guru. Guru and Krishna is one. But the practical way that we're getting bhakti is from Guru. We're getting bhakti abhas from Krishna Kripa. Oh, I was in Peru, I found some Krishna book on a bus. I met people like this. I was in Peru bouncing around on some 5 rupee bus. And somebody came on a bus and sold a bunch of books. Do they do like that? Bus Sankirtan? No, they have special down there. And then he left this book, and I don't know what it is. I read this book, I got inspired. So I went home, I started chanting 16 rounds, became vegetarian. He never met a devotee, got some book sitting on a bus seat. True story. I'm 42 years, I was Sankirtan devotee. I gave classes in Sankirtan, Mayapur, everywhere, and I heard so many stories from others. There's millions of them. You may be one story like this yourself, or myself. That's your beautiful story. So who gave the bhakti? That is bhakti. You're doing bhakti. It's not Sukriti. Sukriti is not bhakti. This is bhakti. And it's been given by Krishna. Brahmanda Brahmatekam Bhagavan Jiva Guru Krishna Prasadi Pai Bhakti Lata Bij. The Bhakti Lata becomes the Bhava becomes the Prema. So the Stairati is you fully become ensconced or fixed in your Stairati at the level of Bhava. But the level of Anartha Nivriti, when you approach Guru and do Sharanagati and Atma Samarpan, then he gives you the Stairati.